Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up face screen lock on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. Before enrolling a new face model on your device, I highly recommend wiping your device's frontal camera using either a microfiber cloth or a dry towel, just to see yourself clearly in the camera. For the same reason, adjust the lights in your room so you can see your face clearly. Adjust the lights so that they face you and not your device's frontal camera, and make sure that they are not too bright so you can see your facial features clearly. Open your device's settings, then go to Security and select Face Unlock. Enter your password to confirm or set up one if you don't have it yet. Then tap Setup. Allow Motorola Face Unlock to use your camera. And tap Next. And then align your face in the camera. In the circle you see on your screen, of course, and then look directly at your camera. Now, once your face is added, just tap Next, tap Done, and now to make sure that everything works fine, let's scroll down to System, go to Advanced, and check for available updates. If you don't have any updates for your device, download and install them here. If you don't have them, then of course just skip this step, and just to make sure that all the changes have applied, hold down the power button for a while until you see the power options on your screen. Select power off or restart. Actually, I would recommend using just restart. All we have to do is reboot the phone to apply the changes. But if you select turn off, then turn on your device afterwards. And just wait until it's restarted. And after a restart, first unlock your device using the password. And now try using your face instead. So just lock your screen and then look directly at your device's camera and swipe the screen up, and this should unlock your device. Try it a couple of times, and as you can see, everything works as it's supposed to. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.